Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. Today we're talking about night routines, the simple things we do every night before sleeping.
Yes, and trust me, my night routine is very special. Step 1, avoid responsibilities. Step 2, scroll on my phone for 2 hours.
Bro, that's not a night routine. That's a disaster routine.
Okay, let's start properly. Sam, what do you usually do at night?
So every night, I come home around 7 p.m. I take off my shoes, drink some water, and sit on the sofa for a few minutes.
Same. I also need 10 minutes of silence after a long day. I just stare at the wall, like a confused chicken.
A confused what?
Chicken. Because my brain stops working at night.
Anyway, after I relax, I usually have dinner around 8 p.m. Sometimes I eat rice, sometimes pasta, sometimes just bread. Simple food.
I eat dinner at 9 p.m. because I spend 1 hour thinking, what should I eat? And then I just order pizza.
Every night?
Not every night. Sometimes I order burgers too.
After dinner, I clean the table and wash the dishes. I like to keep my kitchen clean.
Same. I also clean my browser history.
Bro, focus. English learners are listening.
Okay. I clean my room a little and I put things in the right place. It helps me relax.
Then around 9:30, I spend some free time. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I watch a short video, sometimes I call my friend.
I play games, but only for 20 minutes.
You mean 20 minutes times 3.
Maybe.
At 10 p.m., I start my night routine. First, I brush my teeth, then I wash my face.
I do that too, but I also use face cream. I want to look 18 forever.
Bro, even your cream is tired.
Rude.
Then I prepare my bag, choose my clothes for tomorrow, and write a small to-do list.
I don't do any of that. I like surprises.
You mean chaos. Finally, at 10:30 or 11, I go to bed. I turn off the lights, put my phone away, and try to sleep.
I try to sleep too, but my brain says, let's remember every embarrassing moment from childhood.
That's why you sleep at 1 a.m.?
Exactly.
Tonight we talked about our night routine. Eating dinner, cleaning, relaxing, getting ready for bed, and planning for the next day.
And we learned simple English you can use every day. Now tell us in the comments, what do you do every night before you sleep?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and listen to our next episode.
Good night, everyone. Or good morning, depending on your time zone.